What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, ACJ Beauty Bay. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I really appreciate it. So, if you've been checking out some of my videos, I be doing a lot of unboxing. So, today we have another unboxing, of course. One will be the new Galaxy 21, what is it, Ultra 5G. I already looked at it. I couldn't resist, but I haven't activated it yet. So we will be activating it together. Okay. It got some handprints in it, but you know, told you I looked at it. I got it in Phantom Gray and it also come in black. I was hoping it was gonna come in like rose gold or something, but nope. So it comes in two colors, Phantom Gray and black. I forgot how many gigabytes it was on this one. So we're about to find out. How y'all doing today? Hope you're doing great. Had to stop and talk to y'all, see how y'all doing out there. I don't remember. Let me see. Can I pull it up to let you guys know? Just if you're interested, welcome. Okay. Okay, so now it's telling me it's ready to activate. Before you activate this phone, back up your contacts from your old phone, turn off your old phone. When you tap activate now, we will deactivate your old phone, transfer your old phone number to this phone, and activate this phone. So I don't even want to do that right now because then I gotta take the SD card out and do all of that. So I'm not gonna be activating this right now, y'all. Okay. It's 128 gigabytes. The Ultra 5G. Okay. Yo, so I'm gonna wait on this. The next thing I got, y'all, is Goli. I guess that's how to pronounce it. The Goli apple cider vinegar gummies. I was about to mess it up, y'all. They come with these two cards. It say Vitamin Angels, and it tell you the benefits comparisons. Card looks like this. Focus a little bit. go, there we go, there we go. And it comes with this card. It say, welcome to the Gilo Goli. I just messed it up. Anyway, the Goli family, okay? Directions: take 2 to 3 gummies daily for your daily dose of ACV. So I've been seeing commercials like on my phone while I'm, you know, playing a game, or, you know, just watching YouTube videos or whatever I'm doing. I've been seeing Facebook, Instagram, it's up there. I know y'all seen it. So it's supposed to help y'all lose weight. So I've been taking it now for maybe 4 days. So I don't know yet. You know, it's early, but I have ordered another bottle because I caught a deal. So why not? You know I love a good deal. So there's that box. And like I said, y'all know I love a good deal. This box right here, Love with Food. It's a healthy website, you know. They send you snacks that's healthy, pretty much. That's what it is. And the great deal about this is I only paid for shipping. I think it was $7.95. If it was $7.95, it was like $5 and some change or something like that. But I never pay full price for a lot of my items that I receive, you know, that I personally buy. Okay, I love me a good deal. If I'm going to spend my money, I want it, you know, I want something for free. I love free stuff. So, and shipping wasn't bad, so I got a good deal. And it's a lot of stuff coming in this box. Okay, it's one of the items. It says Crunchsters. Crunchsters. It's a barbecue flavor. It's gluten-free, 7 grams protein, non-GMO, nut-free, and vegan. It looked like dried up corn. It's a sprouted protein snack. Let's see. It's 190 calories. We got this Kind Energy dark chocolate peanut butter bar. Okay, this thing look good. Y'all don't even know how long I had this box. I've been trying to do the video and putting it off. So it's time for me to eat this thing up, honey. It looks so delicious. So if you like free stuff like me, you should be looking for them deals too. I just type in on Google. This is a box, you know, so it's like, what is it? Free trial membership for, you know, boxes or food boxes, like, you know, FabFit boxes. For example, something like that. If you're looking for, you know, cosmetic boxes, makeup boxes, you know, it direct you to some of that. It said bunches of crunches, superfood granola, dark chocolate sea salt with chia. Okay, it's 130 calories, and it look like just what it said, granola. I like my granola with yogurt, so I will be eating some of this with some yogurt. So delicious. Okay, now we got a sweet smokehouse barbecue. It's called Western Smokehouse. You know, like a beef stick. Okay. It's 110 calories. Chocolate chip cookie, Appleways. is. And I'm gonna focus up. I'm gonna move up. It's 140 calories in here. It's a simply wholesome oatmeal bar. Brownie brittle. You can find these in the dollar store. It's larger than this, and it's pretty good. I like it with some milk. Milk is good for you. Okay. Incredi Puffs, sizzling sriracha. It look good, y'all. I'm ready to try it. It's 100 calories. Ooh, oh snap cream. And if you like Quaker rice cakes, I guess this is another healthier alternative. It's the organic rice cakes minis. Lundberg Family Farms. I guess I'm pronouncing it right. It's 130 calories. So yeah, that's all that came in that box, y'all. I've been holding on to it to share with y'all. I haven't eaten anything out of the box. Seriously, I haven't. But I'm about to tomorrow at work. Okay. There we go. Close it. But yeah, now I hope y'all enjoy my video. If you want to see anything different, or you want me to try something different, y'all let me know in the comment box. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to mention that I don't know how y'all really feel about the vaccine out here. You know, some people want to get it, some people don't want to get it. There's been issues going on, you know, with some people having allergic reactions or something from the vaccine. But I'm a frontline worker, okay? And dealing with my job, I have to interact maybe with someone that has, you know, that's tested positive for COVID-19. I have to go into these certain buildings where they're actually using this quarantine, and if I get called for it, that's where I gotta go. I gotta do my job. So I took the vaccine, y'all. If you want to know, you know, anything more about that, you know, just leave a comment down there. Okay. After I took the vaccine, you have to go in there with your health insurance. Please have your insurance card. They did it as a courtesy to me to look mine up. But other than that, you would have to have your card on hand to give to them. After they gave you the shot, I had to wait for 15 minutes before leaving. Then I spoke with a lady before leaving out to schedule my second appointment, because this is a 2-series shot. The nurse said I was going to have a little, you know, arm pain. It's going to be sore, and it is a little sore still. But other than that, y'all, I feel fine. I feel good. God is good all the time, you know. So I knew He got my back. You know, just hope and pray that everything was gonna be alright, and I feel fine. So this is the end of my video. Thank y'all for coming by. I hope y'all enjoy y'all day or night, whatever you're having. And I will see you guys again for another video. I don't know what it's gonna be. I'm thinking about doing a haul, y'all, an Amazon haul, because I love going on Amazon shopping. So I did order a few things, so it might be a video coming for a little haul. You know, I've been in the gym trying to get myself together, And you know, it takes time to see all the results, so we're gonna wait on it. But y'all have a good one. Thank y'all for watching my video. Tell your friends, tell your family to subscribe. I would really appreciate it.